This is Free Engineer Solar Proposal Comparison Tool. It can compare the prices against a benchmark and score the proposals against each other like this. I will show you now the outcome of this tool. So you can see here, three installers A, B, C have different scores based on the different factors that are listed above. So what sort of factors can be taken into account? First of all is the track record of the installers. Obviously, that's an important part for you to consider, how long they've been installing and what references of projects that they have, okay? Now, quality of equipment is also very important, obviously. So we take into account that as well in this tool right here. The design and engineering of the solution, how big is the size, the output rating of the panels, as well as how many panels would make up the system. Detailed analysis on the costing, as we can see right here, which is obviously one of the important parts of your comparison. Okay, and we actually will normalize these proposals, these three proposals against a benchmark, because what we found is different company would propose different things to you, so you need to find a way to measure it accordingly. I'm sure that's making sense so far to you. And the next one is the savings expected of each system as well. So this would also take into account the financial performance and the savings associated with each proposal and system, and as well as the scope of each proposal, which you can see right down there. Okay. So we know that every client or site is different. One great feature of this tool is the fact that it is flexible. As you can see here, a lot of these factors have field here, which is the weighting of the of that particular factor, which means you can set different numbers according to your preference. So if it's of little importance to you, then you can put 10 as the weighting, or 20 or 30 if it's very important to you. Okay, and that would be reflected in the final scoring system. Here is one of our past client giving us testimonial on their experience in engaging with us. So Jamie runs a very switched on business in the western suburb of Melbourne. Jamie had received at least 5 different proposals with different prices and designs when we came across him. Almost all of the salesmen claimed their company was the best, and some even put down the others. Jamie and his business partners were confused, obviously, and hence decided to put solar on hold, which is very common in the market because of the challenges that business owners or managers face in trying to go solar. As a result of that, Jamie was hesitant to go through the process again and waste his time. However, he decided to give us a go because we are a group of engineers. They are now very happy customers of ours, and their last bill we reviewed showed 50% saving instead of 30% saving initially quoted. So that's jackpot for him.